we were supposed to see an owl.
So folks,
but there's no owl.
Hagrid did not summon the owl tonight, so I'm sorry.
Aww.
Harry Potter fans. Hey.
We are decluttering our fridge because we put a lot of random shit on it when we got like flyers or other stuff. We are unpacking all the stuff that we got, and then we'll lay it out and show you guys what we got. So this, not including here, this is day one. We went to the My Hero Academia open house and then didn't get anything actually on the in the event.
Yeah, no.
Right?
Yeah.
Because most of them are either oh,
Hi.
what the hell?
One of these, the record.
There's 4. Then sausage is more than that.
This one's a sausage.
This is American dog.
Also a few sausages.
American dog. We had company suddenly.
We
Yay!
were just in the area.
Yeah.
Karage bomo.
And so apparently this is a Guinness record holder for, what is this again, guys? Curry pan?
Cheese curry.
Cheese curry pan.
So what is supposed to be like the best curry bun ever?
I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
What record is hold?
The most spiciest? I don't know. Itadakimasu.
Oh.
Nice. Oh.
Nice.
It's really good.
Okay, now that our guests are gone, we'll continue our original schedule. We went to the My Hero Academia open house where the cross store is, but didn't really see anything that we want from the My Hero because most of the stuff are sold out already. So instead we got the SHF figure arts for Uchiha Obito. Then within Sunshine City we went to the Pokemon store also and bought one of the bath bomb. This one we calculated it should be stuck inside. Then after we came back out, we went to the Capcom UFO place and got this, the health potion bottle. You can see the bottle if you check our video, I think. Did we take it out? We did, right?
We did.
I think. Then around there we went to all the cinemas. We actually were trying to collect these keychains from the cinema. The original ones are these ones, and at the time we couldn't find Shoto Todoroki, so we got these in the ones in Tokyo. The art flickers as you move from the uniform version to the costume version. And then also we got Todoroki only at the time because Bakugo was gone. So in Tokyo we got these two also. Then as we walk around Animate, we found these two. And Animate is having a promotion if you buy anything from My Hero because of the movie that is coming out. You'll get postcard for each 1,000 that you spend. And since the figurine is what, 3 Dao, 4 Dao, so we got free cards. I'm so glad that we have at least Todoroki, because we bought the Todoroki, but the other ones is Kirishima, and I still don't know who this guy is.
No Mona.
I only refer him to Okashina. As we walk past, we went to Earth, Music and Ecology and saw the older version of the collab. This is Midoriya's glove. That's so cool. And also the UA uniform. The back has UA. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's how it looks like.
Pretty cool.
That's the back. The front is like normal blue cardigan.
But it has like that nice striping on the bottom that shows off the school colors.
Yeah, so you won't know it until you turn your back.
Exactly.
Because that's actually the front if you see the proper uniform, but that's not bad if you don't want it to be too obvious. But with this, you'll be able to show off. Yay! And last but not least, this is from one of the shops that I think we just went in because there's like so many anime stuff in there, and then I bought a chic candy with sticker because it's Sakura. But yeah, it looks like the sticker you can stick it on the chic too. But honestly, the candy inside was shit. It didn't taste good.
And it gave me a stomach ache.
It was a really weird grape taste with minty feelings after you eat it. So I wouldn't recommend it, but I only bought it just because of the box. And that was day 1. I just realized the button actually say My Hero Academia. Cool. Then we have day 2. Day 2 we went to the Mohan exhibition. So at the beginning when we got in, we got the postcard for the Monghang. I opened it, so it's postcard. Then the Monster Hunter Now, actually on the back there's a QR code for you to redeem items in the game, which I won't show you. But yeah, this is the Monster Hunter Wilds. Probably this guy is the flagship.
What is it?
This ugly dog looking guy, I don't know. And then this side is the 20th anniversary. This cover art is on the drink bottle, like the potion bottle on the back. Yeah, it's cool. Then the shop, we got candy. We always like the Mohan looking guy. This is definitely like a office worker in Mohan armor.
That's a Rathalos.
It's so funny.
Oh.
And then Got a keychain. This is the first ever Monster Hunter, and you know, Rathalos has always been there.
Yeah, since day one actually.
From the beginning. Then we also got the poster art for the Mohan 20th anniversary exhibition. This is actually a folder, but he wanted to get the acrylic stand, but the acrylic stand is like 3,000 yen, and this is only 400, I think. So yeah, he went for the cheaper version. This is the blind box that we still have yet to open.
You want to open it now?
Yeah, maybe. And then there is the book for this exhibition. There's like all kinds of details of what's been shown in the exhibition and what monster can make what armor and weapon. I love that.
There.
Then I also got a t-shirt. This is the 20th anniversary t-shirt with the particle, and the back has all the logos of each year's Monster Hunter game. And this one is also the exhibition art, I think. And then the back has the list of games name each year also, I think, if I remember right. So this is the back of the gray shirt, starting from Monster Hunter as it goes, and then now is Monster Hunter Rise Sunbreak. Oh, and the Wilds is not here. Wilds is the latest one in the next year. And the front is Palico. That's the front of the white t-shirt. And then the back, it's all the names. And each year. Oh, this one, they included the Wilds.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
And it's the XXX, like you don't know when it's gonna come out. Well, we went to Shibuya and then got Rathalos and Jinlogger from the Capcom store. The 6 gacha that we got from the Nintendo store, that is the controller buttons. And then last but not least, we also got the Fantastic Beasts collection from Pop Mart. It's so cool. You can like open and close it, so I couldn't help myself and bought a box. Last but not least, the last day when I went to the Clamp exhibition, this is what we got. Mainly this one. This is specifically made for the exhibition, so it's exclusive to there. The uniform version, the elementary school uniform version. Then this is like a blind box mini drawing. I only got one. It's tempting to get the whole set, but this is quite expensive, 550 per pop, so if I buy the whole thing it will be what, 3 Dao, I think. Then this is the eco bag with Mokona. He's so cute. I wanted to get a Mokona doll, but they are sold out. So this is, I guess, the second best thing you can get. I kind of don't want to open this, but the bag itself has all the characters from each of the clamp mangas, so it's nice. Then we also have this one called, what's it called? Hana something. Hanafuda. It's the game that Japanese people play, and the inside has all the characters of the cards. I will open it after. And then this is the play cards. I don't know why Clamp likes to make trump cards. Like, I have a set for Sakura also, right? And then now this is a set for all the Clamp characters. This is a paper knife for opening any letters. This sword is from Kurogane from Clamp's Tsubasa manga. This sword is the most iconic one within the manga, so I got that. And then there's the two shaka keychain. This one is from Sakura with Kiro-jang flying around, so it's kind of fitting for him to like shaka around. Then this one is from Tsubasa, where Feiru was teasing Kurogane. And then the last three things, the three big things that I bought is, one is the handkerchief, which is with Sakura and Kiro-jang. I like the pose, it's so cute. And this one is Tsubasa. Tsubasa's one of the panel of the within the plot. And the last thing is this. This is the bag. Specifically, this artwork is specifically drawn for the Climb exhibition, so you can't get this anywhere. This is the exclusive product. Well, I mean, most of the stuff that has the Clam exhibition logo on it means they are exclusive. Otherwise, yeah, I haven't seen any of these outside, so pretty much. Plus Tsubasa is already finished, so it's hard to find anything else. Any products that is before Sakura ended is already hard to find. So you can't really find Mokona anywhere anymore, because both the manga that is involved with Mokona are all ended. So yeah, let's open some of them. The Hanafuda is actually getting real expensive. We at the beginning, when the exhibition started, I was checking Marikari. People were selling this for 7,000, and now they restocked, so I got one. They sold this in the retail price is 5,000, I think. Yeah, 5,500. But if you check on Marikari now, this box alone, it's at least 14k. So I'm kind of hesitant to open it, but at the same time I want to see how it looks like inside. So I opened it. There is the Japanese side. And there's English instructions here too, and also Chinese. So you might be able to learn the game. They're all bundled up with the plastic here. I don't think I want to open it, but look at the quality. And the first one you see is exotic. So I can show you from the instruction. There's different months for the game. Month number 1 is mostly Tsubasa. But yeah, they're all from each of the clan manga. They're all from different mangas. It's nice. And these are the ways to get points. Don't know if I can actually understand how the game works, but it's cool collection. Pope was saying that I should just get a frame when we get finally settled down, and then like just frame the whole thing. That might be a good idea. This is the handkerchief. If I want to frame it, I will iron this out. But for now, that's where it's folded. Unfortunately, on the face. But yeah, this is one of the artworks that I don't see very often, so I like it. So cute. Especially Kiro-chan. This is the towel. This is the part where they talked about how they can probably change the future that they foresee, but they want to be able to choose the future they want. You will know it if you read the manga. And then there's also the other one where when she was asked how was the trip, and she answered saying like, oh, if it's just by myself, this trip would be really hard, but because we're together, it was all right. There's also these two things that we got when we got into the exhibition. This comes with the entrance. I wish they give us different characters, but this is both one of the characters from the other manga. And then this one I bought along with the ticket. I actually don't know what's in here. Let's open it. It's a ticket holder. So cute. Nice. I think this actually fits here, because it seems like it's a good size. 多分こうかな?
Oh wow, that looks cool. Is that the same guy from the...
Ta-da! Yeah, I just thought that it fits good with the ticket that we got, but I'm not sure if that's really how it's been used. But yeah, this is you can buy with the ticket. Last but not least, we want to show off this. Technically, you're supposed to take one and then stick it to the wall of the exhibition, but in the end we took some home, because it has the words of the characters on it, and it's reflective, and we're such suckers for stickers and reflective stuff, so like we just couldn't help it but took a bunch. These are all the lines that is from the manga. Like this one from XXholic, it says あなたはあなただけのものじゃないのよ, meaning like you're not your own thing anymore. Like you don't only belong to yourself, that you should think about other people when you do your actions, because like if it's just you, sure, you can like be reckless and everything, but while you do these stuff, you have people who care about you that will, you know, worry for you. So you can't do things without thinking about other people anymore. And Clamp is just so good at doing these kind of like really deep lines in their mangas, and that's also one of the reasons why I like reading it too. But yeah, so these are all the stuff that we got over this 3 days. If we stay any longer, I'm pretty sure we'll be broke. So maybe the typhoon saved us. But yeah, that's all. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open this. What do I get? What do I get? What do I get?
Kumate.
1, 2.
Two.
Da, 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 da.
Oh,
yeah!
Beautiful.
Good job, babe.
You're welcome.
That looks so good.
I did a good job, man.
God damn it! Now I'm regretting. I should have bought all of it.
Don't. My turn for my own blind box. They actually put a paper in this so I can actually feel it.
You're being an ass.
Oh.
I feel that this is the biggest I can get, so I don't know what it
Let's
is.
see. You only have 2 hands, my love.
Your hand number. Oh!
Yape.
God damn it! I hate this.
Okay, here we go. That one is the dun 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 dun.
I think I know.
Something dragon. This is Namire from Monster Hunter World.
Is that good?
Oh.
Dead.
Well. No, I don't like Namire.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is what it looks like.
So enthusiastic.
I really don't like Namire.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, what kind of a dragon's name is Namir? We're off to meet Clax and Ash for dinner. We're actually running a bit late. Come on, love, let's go.
Doraemon. They're gonna head up to Uniqlo and get the UT done. I actually want to do a tote bag too, but let's see how much it costs first. One piece.
Oh wait. This one is oh shit, chief. I saw that. 30.
And after designing the shirts, we are... Oh, we didn't vlog the designing part?
So we made the shirt on the app and then also on the tablet over there.
Yep. But I think it was better on the tablet.
Perfect. I like this more than this.
Kawaii.
Oh, we got the big dang love. That looks really great.
The tote bag quality is good too.
I like the fact that it has buttons here.
Ah, nice. And a partition as well too.
Yeah.
And that's the one that I designed. Sheesh. Oh wow. Go show it to Chief. Here you go, Chief. Have a looky.
Still warm.
And let me see that. Oh, this is the second one that I designed too.
What's the difference between
Yee. Yeah,
This is one of a kind.
yeah, bet.
you can overlap?
Yeah, the food's here, guys. We got apple juice too, which is the first, because normally we don't order drinks here at Obon de Gohan. Yeah, so we're gonna go try it out. Itadakimasu. What? After paying for the meal, they gave us this. This is the one we wanted to get before during the time we were looking for the Pokemon around here at the JR Gate Tower. So cool. There's Greninja the boy.
We were supposed to see an owl,
So folks,
but there's no owl.
Hagrid did not summon the owl tonight. So I'm sorry. Harry
Oh,
Potter fans. Next time,
next point
don't be hunting for another owl.
around Nagoya.
There is no owl.
They have one piece photo to print. So
How big do you want it?
it size only. It's 200 yen.
Better be a nice photo.
Start. Oh, it's printing already. Komene. I just wanted to. Oh, jijai.
Is that an L size?
This is an L size.
Yeah.
Kawaii. They're here because they're gonna get all 7 of this.
So they can get this.
What is that B? Hi.
1,2,3,4,5,6,7枚です。
はい。よほ。
5,536円。
はい。いちいち。Oh, last one is the big one too, huh?
So, but I did like Roblox.
H が1つと、I がお1つ。
Sure.
黒は別に買います。よろしいですか？
Kawaii.
So while Bulin is getting a smoothie, I got myself an ice cream. Yep.
We asked. They gave us the display.
Sensei, if I can help you, can I help you dismantle it?
Show it on the camera.
Holy shit. This is some good experience. Like you would never.
But that's so cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I wanted to do the same thing at Ghana when they had like Goofy.
Ne. Ina.
We should try the one for the Pokemon one at the JR station.
Oh yeah.
Can I have this?
Can you just cut that one out for the Greninja that's stuck on those?
Ask for the big Greninja there.
Someone bought the whole lot, yo.
Bye. Look at his windshield. Bye. We took them out of the box. He's so cute.
Are you taking a video?
What's wrong? What's going on?
Taking a video?
Yeah.
Somebody
I opened it because I couldn't help it.
opened it and devalued the whole.
So pretty.
Oh. Oh. 8 bits. Chowchowits. Who is this?
Oh,
I know.
the couple.
Right?
Oh, the
couple. Sugoi-chan.
Oh, the free.
Eh, kwa.
This is the new, the oldest one, I think. You can see some sort of like
Transition.
style.
Yeah.
It's like back then, in the 80s, 90s, the drawing style. But you can see how the difference.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
Those three.
the
The
one
one
that-
with the weird neck. Oh my god.
The one that I said her neck has problems.
Send that girl to a chiropractor, bro. Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
Joker's
nice.
Moko na.
So cute.
Yatta.
Okay, this is the other 26.
It seems like this side is more boyish manga.
I noticed they're all red. I mean, there was all red on the other side. This is all black.
This is the one we got, the free detective.
Naruhodo.
This is X. It's nice. I like getting these kind of thing because it means that I can have most of the art out of it. Oh,
Who's that?
I forgot. This is Clover. Tsubasa. XX Howler. Tsubasa.
Oh, nice.
That's my t-shirt.
Yes, that's why I recognize. Oh, Kurogane.
Yes. Very.
Wonder what's that. Oh, Queen. Oh, they're both king. And the other Joker is.
The other three
Creatures or familiars. Yeah. So cool.
Oh, I'm sad. There's no black Moko na.
That's true.
Time to say goodnight.
I was drinking. It's almost 4 a.m. Well, actually, it's
4 a.m. It's 3. Goddamn.
It's 3:20.
Stop skipping ahead of time.
I can't help it. I like to round things off. But yeah, it's 3:21. Catching up on ZZZ. Good news. I managed to pull like an S rank character, guys.
Congratulations.
Yata actually saved a screenshot.
He finally managed to catch one S rank because last time he wanted to get
Ellen
didn't get it. He
And
wanted to
then
get
Zuyan.
Zuyan
I missed
didn't
it,
get it.
but I managed to get Chingy this time.
Chingy is your girl. Anyways, we're gonna call it a night because this vlog is already long enough. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Take it easy, guys.
The next one will be us back to work already.